Algebra II 5.3c, Squares of Binomials. If you haven't seen the previous videos for Chapter 5, you might get lost or confused, and there's links in this video's description so you can watch them before you watch this one. So take a look at this. Kind of looks like a flag, doesn't it? Well, these are algebra tiles of a binomial grid, and they can help us visualize binomial products. If we have a binomial square of y minus 5 squared, well, when we open this up as y minus 5 times y minus 5, we can FOIL this. And this is showing us what's going on. We've got y squared minus 5 plus 25. We FOIL this, and we do y times y. That gets us our y squared. Then we do y times minus 5, and that gives us a negative 5y. We do negative 5 times y, that gets us another negative 5y, see? And then we have plus 25 because of the 5, negative 5 times negative 5, see? And this ends up being a model of what we did. We've got our y squared minus 5y plus 25, see? We can combine these like terms and get a negative 10y. So we have y squared minus 10y plus 25. We FOILed it. So remember, the product rule of exponents says we add exponents. All right? When we're multiplying, we add exponents. All right? So we have 2x plus 3y, and it's a binomial square. We're going to open it up, and we're going to do FOIL. We're going to do first, outer, inner, last. So first one is 2x times 2x gives us 4x squared, because we add that exponent and that exponent. They each have an invisible 1, don't they? So we get an x squared. Then we do 2x times 3y. That gives us a positive 6xy. Then we do the 3y and the 2x and get another positive 6xy. Then we do the positive 3y and the positive 3y and get a 9y squared. We can combine these inner like terms and get a positive 12xy, and we now have solved the binomial square. See? Look at this mess. We can open this up so that we have a squared b to the third power plus a to the third power b squared times the same thing, a squared b to the third power plus a to the third power b squared. Now it's just important that we keep track of our exponents, right? We have to add our exponents. So we have an a squared here and an a squared here, so that's going to give us a to the fourth. We have a b to the third times a b to the third. That's going to give us b to the sixth. Now we're going to do the outer one. A squared and a to the third is a to the fifth. B third to b squared is a b to the fifth. And we get the same thing for the inside because it's a 3 and a 2 and a 2 and a 3. So we get another a to the fifth, b to the fifth. Now we do the last one, and we get this a to the third, and that a to the third gives us a to the sixth. And this b squared and that b squared gives us a b to the fourth. We can combine these like terms. Now, it doesn't become a to the 10th when we do the a to the 5th and the a to the 5th. We're adding here. The product rule says when we're multiplying, we add the exponents. When we're adding them, and they've got like bases, we combine 1a to the 5th b to the 5th plus another a 5th b to the 5th gives us 2a to the 5th b to the 5th. See? Because that's addition. Multiplication, you add the exponents. Addition, you combine like bases, okay? And it's plus a to the 6th, b to the 4th, and now we've done that binomial square, see? Just make sure you go slow and keep track of your exponents, okay? Take a look at this one. We've got 4x minus 5y as a binomial square. We open it up, we FOIL it. We have 4x times 4x gives us 16x squared. 4x times a negative 5y gives us a negative 20xy. We do it again here. Negative 5y times 4x gives us another negative 20xy. And a negative 5y and a negative 5y gives us a positive 25y squared. We combine these like terms and get a negative 40xy for the middle. And we've solved our binomial square. Just multiply every term in the first binomial by every term in the second binomial and combine like terms. Just don't forget to combine the like terms, okay? Here's another messy looking one. We've got 2y squared plus 6x squared y, and it's a binomial square. We open it up. We're going to FOIL. 2y squared times 2y squared gives us 4y to the fourth. 2y squared times 6x squared y is going to give us a 12x squared y to the third, because there's 2 here in this y and a 1 here on that y, so we get x squared y to the third. We get another one when we do the inner ones. It's identical, right? Have you noticed that so far? We get a 12x squared y to the third. Then we do the 6 times the 6 and get a 36, and it's x to the fourth y squared. See? We can combine these like terms and get a 24x squared y to the third in the center here. And we've solved our binomial square. All right? Just pay attention to your exponents so you don't forget to add some. All right? Now, in Algebra I, I taught this, and I've got a couple of videos, 5.10a and 5.10b, and I'm going to have links to these in my description of this video. Our next video is 5.3d, and we're going to talk about products of sums and differences, and that's what 5.10a is from Algebra I. So if you watch one of these videos from Algebra II and you're still confused, go back and watch the Algebra I. I taught the exact same thing. Algebra I and Algebra II are very, very similar. There's only about 25% difference in Algebra II going deeper into topics and going a little higher. But a lot of the stuff is the same, okay? And of course, there's going to be a link to the Algebra II playlist so you can study, and the entire Chapter 5 playlist that is it's even going to include these, but I'll list these separately in the links, okay? So you can study if you can't remember what we did last year, all right? So I hope this was helpful. I hope you're doing well. It's a beautiful day outside today. It's spring now. It's the second day of spring. And keep your chin up. Keep trying. I'm proud of you for watching these videos. And I'll see you next one. Bye.